Okay, so after a lot of fiddling, I was able to print myself a new AC cover. This was the original. And the other one is right here. I'm going to try to take it off the build plate and see. Came out okay. It looks like it did a pretty good job even on the more complicated parts. We'll see if we can get it off the build plate without. It looks like it'll come off quite easily. Oh, that's bad. Looks like it already broke. That's not good. And I noticed that a lot of times when I build models using different software, things like this happen. That's why I usually build things in quads using Blender. This time I built it using Fusion 360, and sometimes things like this will happen where the quality and structure of the thing is not that good. So I'm gonna have to glue that together. Alright, well, hopefully it'll still be fixable. And I'll put it together and we'll see if it's any good. See you in the next video.